Greetings everyone from the Lake Buena Vista Holiday Inn located near Disney Springs on Hotel Plaza Blvd. And I have done a complete review of this hotel back during the unfortunate days of COVID. So I'm going to put a link up here so you can go back in time and look at that for more details. But this time I'm staying in a king pool view room on the 6th floor in the garden wing. So since it's a different type of room, I thought I'd give you all a little room tour and also give you some updates on what's going on here at the hotel since the last time I stayed here. So here in the king garden room, when you first walk in, similar to the other room I stayed at in the tower, you have a closet here with a sliding door, safe, ironing board, lots of storage, some extra bedding. In the bathroom, similar to the one in the main tower, you have a single vanity with a lighted mirror, commode, same little ice cream artwork, and shower. Looks like the shower heads have been updated a little bit. Still not a removable shower head, but it is a shower and tub combo. And you get Dove body soaps. And as I indicated, this is a king room, so you have a king size bed, a couple lamps on the side, some in-ceiling lighting. Actually, one of the bulbs is burnt out on this one. Both of the lamps on either side of the bed, much like in the main tower, they have USB ports as well as outlets. And the nice thing is there's an outlet in the wall over here and an outlet with 4 plugs right next to the bed. So that gives you plenty of power options. And much like the other room, you get a dresser with drawers, big screen TV, full-length mirror. In this room, instead of a table, you've got a little desk with a chair, some fun little artwork. And as I indicated, there is a balcony, which I'll take to in a moment. And before we go out to the balcony, this room does have a couch. And I'm not sure if this is a pull-out. Yep, there is a retractable bed inside the couch. And then the balcony, there is an adjoining door here, so you could have an adjoining room, but let's go outside and see what the view is. Nice sized balcony, you get 2 chairs out here. And this room overlooks the pool. And as I indicated, this is the garden wing, so this is a little L shape. This is part of the L, we're in the other part. And as I pan around here, this is the main tower from the last time I was here that has the overview down into the main lobby. So the garden wing is off the beaten path a little bit. My glasses, which automatically tint when going outside, so there you go, quick little room tour. Again, this is a great alternative if you're looking for a relatively inexpensive room. This particular room type online for a single night here was roughly about $165 per night, booking directly through Holiday Inn, which when you consider you're on Disney property, just steps away from Disney Springs. And this hotel does offer shuttle service to and from the various parks, which is great. Or if you go over to Disney Springs, you can always hop on a bus from Disney Springs to the various resorts around property. And from those resorts, you can also hop on a bus there and go to whatever theme park you might be interested in. Or if you drive here, you have 2 options, either valet parking or self-parking. As of May 2024, the parking here is $23.95 per night. Last time I was here, again, it was during the unfortunate times, and they were no longer serving any breakfast at that point. It was just grab and go. The breakfast buffet is back open here. They serve breakfast from 6 in the morning to 10:30 each day. And the price for the breakfast buffet is $21.95. So that's not too bad. And again, this is a good neighbor hotel, which means it is located on the Walt Disney World property. And as a good neighbor, there are certain benefits that you can take advantage of staying here. And those benefits include different things such as early access or later access at certain parks during certain times of the year. The best thing you can do is check out the website and see what those benefits are, because they are often changing depending on the season and depending on what Disney's mood is. So there you have it. This is the Lake Buena Vista Holiday Inn located on Hotel Plaza Blvd here at the Walt Disney World Resort. And as I indicated, a great alternative to the Disney resorts. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. And as we always say on this channel, happiness is a lifestyle.